Hi, I'm Scotty. Welcome to Scotties Clock World. Once we've finished doing all the rebushing of the individual wheels, we've checked the pivots and the bushes and the end play. The last remaining thing to do is to put all the wheels back in between the plate and check them all in relation to each other to make sure they all work properly. That's what we're going to do now. Put the top plate on. Put a nut over that post to hold it. Then we can start to put the pivots into the bushes. That's on, that's down there. As usual, we start from the bottom of the plate and work up. Put that post in, that's a bit better. Alright, now lift that. Second wheel in. Okay, first wheel's in, second wheel, third wheel, and the going side train. We'll actually put a nut on the top of that so it doesn't come undone again. Which I think it just did. Second wheel. Still a little bit bent, these posts. Got him. Third wheel, drop a pin on, we'll put a nut on that post. It's not very easy to do. That's got him. That's the going side done. Now we'll do the strike train. First wheel, second wheel, no, it's got him. Post is out again naturally. Third wheel, and the fly. Tighten this nut down. And that one, put another one on the top. Make sure they're tight enough. Okay, now we can check the going side train. Running nice and smoothly. Check for end play. Moving the wheel backwards and forwards. You can see the end play easy in that one. Working well. One's not so easy to see. Here we go. End play. Spinning freely. Now over to the strike side. Things are turning nicely. We'll check the end plate. Just enough. Third wheel. End plate. Fly spins freely. So they all work in relation to each other very nicely. End play on all of them. What we'll do now is we'll take it to pieces. We'll put the levers and the hammer in and the great wheels with the springs on them. Then we'll oil it, then put it on a time stand and check the timing on it. This is the rack hook right here. That pin, when you put the gathering pallet back on, before you hammer it down to keep it firm, that pin has to fall